So stayed a little bit later at Adams, kind of set my video live and everything from yesterday when Cleetus drove the car. So this thing ended up running at 11.16 at like, what was that, 129 or
129, I think it was.
Yeah, something. I mean, that's awesome. And that was on the street. That was on the street tire, not even the slick or the radial. So anyhow, I think the clutch just got a little bit mad. It's still drivable, but the fingers are really, really soft. So there's not a whole lot of pressure pushing back from the pressure plate. We worked on it a little bit last night at Adam's shop. David Ty threw it on the lift and tightened up the clutch disc. But I think we're gonna have to rebuild it or replace some springs or something in there. But today we are headed to OSW again. We're going to the skid pad. Everybody's been there for like 2 hours already, drifting and stuff. But the plan is I'm gonna slide this around just a little bit, and I guess we'll see if this clutch will hold. It holds like in a straight line, but I can't shift it fast. So. You can hear my tranny sounds like a dog box now.
In a quarter-mile, turn.
I think that's Jimmy. No, that's Tommy F. Yeah, he's learning how to drift today. So yeah, we are out here at OSW at the skid pad. Taylor's testing out his V8 Miata. He says it's doing.
I turned my camera on to get all the smoke.
And you were baking him up too. Yeah. Adam already destroyed his rear bumper. I think Chris is driving the SR Miata, who's drifting that. And then David Patterson, that dude in blue, is messing with that BMW. He's going to be driving today as well. Alberto Big Boost is dealing with a couple little things. And the Supra's freaking clutch is pissed. I'm going to go ahead and swap these off of here. Throw on the 18-inch RPF ones and send it. All right, boys. This is the first drifts in the Supra on a track. We'll see how this freaking goes. I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully this freaking tranny holds together. I need to turn the Mr. Boost down a little bit so we don't have no gear 3. We'll turn that to Mr. 1. How you doing? All right, here we go. See what the peak boost is too. Makes sense.
93, that gray one.
Is this the only thing that isn't broken right now?
How would I know? Oh, this guy, huh?
Whoa.
This guy. How's your clutch doing, Trevor? Huh?
I mean, I was just drifting it,
How's
so
your clutch doing?
she's doing all right.
Smell it.
Hey, Tommy, yeah, so if you want to reshare that Supra video, that'd be great.
Oh no, I don't share Supra videos.
Why?
If it's not a Skyline or
But you were saying that you wanted one. You were looking for a Supra.
yeah, when I get mine.
I mean, even if it's 85, isn't
It
that?
smells like 85 though.
When you get yours, can we race? I thought you guys tuned this on.
really smells like.
I thought you guys tuned it on E85.
Tommy!
The dirt bike?
Yeah.
So
No,
do
it
you want
was
to race?
the Supras.
Tommy!
No, race my S15.
Okay.
I'll fuck you up.
You think?
Tommy, is that pump?
It's basically the same set of Adams.
Is that 93 in the gray container?
Skyline?
Yeah, Tommy, can you pour that in?
Or in his S15.
The Skyline.
Oh, Skyline.
Hey, Tommy.
Well, we'll give her shit. We'll give her shit.
Are you gonna show him how to drive his own car?
No.
Just trying to feel it.
I haven't driven it yet, so
Oh, okay.
I want to compare it to the Miata.
That's fair. That's fair.
It's fast.
It's so fast.
Yeah. So fast.
Hell yeah.
It gets grip on these, so I can't imagine.
That's what I was saying. Like we were taking.
All right, round 2 of drifting the Supra. I put some fuel in it, so we shouldn't have no fuel slosh. What kind of asshole did these? Damn, that's where my tires freaking went. Oh no. I shouldn't have done that. Like, this is where all my tires went. Oh, yeah?
Hey.
So we're going for a ride in Adams S13. This thing seriously is like so impressive. What version of this thing is it now? So we're getting some pretty pictures of us in the Supra taken. Supra in the S13. Do you think this is faster than Supra?
In drift?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, and on the drag strip.
Well, I don't know.
We can throw the radials on it and see if you could break yours too. right, Adam. My neck hurts.
You like it?
That has so much grip. It's insane. Like this little bitty, like, how many horsepowers is it now?
You were probably running at about 485.
265, like Valinos. Damn, and they still had grip.
Yeah.
That's
That's a
nuts.
nice wear. They didn't like chunk or anything.
And you took off your bumper earlier today.
They're about done now.
So he's got some really rad outside clips of this thing, of basically my like half-assed inside clips, except for that one. Get aggressive with it and it won't let me.
Power before, or is it not? Yeah, I go the other way, away from the wall.
It's more fun that way though.
Yeah. Trying to show off. In the Z.
Give it a rip.
In the Z. Alberto's out right now. But we're gonna give the old Zed a rip.
Takes time.
Dave is actually in Adams Z. Junkyard Dave going for a rip. Sandaz.
are wrapping everything up here at OSW, the little skid pad today. This is such a rad little place. I wish I had one of these like super close to me that I could rent, or just had it like in the backyard. But yeah, super freaking slanging it today. Did a really good job. I guess kind of, you know, when I built this car, I didn't build it to just be like a show car and sit around at shows. I know we did like the Hot Import Nights event. That was really cool, you know, seeing everybody and meeting everybody. But you know, as far as like me, I don't want to just park in an event all day. You know, I want to rip the car around. I want to do donuts. I want to do burnouts. I want to do, you know, belligerent stuff. So even though this thing is pretty clean, I guess that's the good part about me, you know, knowing how to paint. Because if I mess it up, and it's not perfect, you know, obviously you guys have seen all the work that went into this thing. It's not 100%. It's not a, you know, original twin turbo 6-speed car that's worth like 80 grand. I mean, it's that's my freaking Supra. So I just enjoy the shit out of it. So I want to throw the other wheels and tires on it. We are going to be doing some street driving stuff tonight, just kind of going on cruises together, which I think will be really rad, especially with the weather down here. It's crazy because in Colorado it's probably like 20 freaking degrees in here. It's nice and warm.